Dodge is recalling over 300,000 Rams over one of the biggest recall this year. If you have a Dodge Ram, you might want to stick to the end of the video so you can find out everything about this. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are rocking with the content, remember to hit that thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. We're on the road to 20,000 subscribers. Let's get into it. So what is going on, guys? The recall came after the company pretty much received a staggering 1,400 field reports and 58,000 warranty claims on the Dodge Ram. If you guys have a Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, get in touch with your dealer, get in touch with the service department of the dealer and get this recall sorted out. We're going to get into the article here, and it says Ram is recalling hundreds and thousands of these heavy duty pickups because their anti-lock brakes, traction control, and electronic stability might fail. Extremely dangerous. If you have a Ram truck, better get on it. So the company is aware of numerous incidents, and the issue is caused by a brake hydraulic control module or control unit that can pretty much fail or malfunction. So Mopar is recalling an additional 84,000 control units, and those could be installed on trucks dating back as far as 2012. Let's get in. It says Ram is recalling, let's get into the article, and it says Ram is recalling 317,000 trucks in the United States due to the brake hydraulic control unit failing. If this occurs, it can knock out the anti-lock brake as well as the electronic stability control and the traction control system. One of the three main ingredients to pretty much keep you safe on the road, and that is pretty dangerous. So the recall impacts an assortment of different trucks dating from 2017 2018 models. This include the 2500, the 3500, as well as the chassis cab version of the 3500, 4500, and 5500. I mean, we're talking about across the whole board with across the whole hydraulic control unit that can fail on every single one of those models. So the safety recall report says the truck were equipped with a control unit that is pretty much prone to failure or malfunction. The decline appeared to be gradual, as the government noted. Failing unit might cause intermittent loss of the anti-locking brake or the traction control. However, things eventually progress to permanent loss, meaning it's obviously going to fail completely. Now, the NHTSA, which is the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, kicked off the investigation that nearly started about 2 years ago, and they worked with the FCA US to figure out what was going on, and this eventually led to testing out different failed parts on customers' truck, and they came to obviously the conclusion of today's recall day. So while most recalls only mention a handful reports incidents, FCA US is aware of a whopping 4,600 customer assistant records, 5,300 warranty claims, and 1,400 field reports potentially relating to this issue. And now, obviously, those are eye-popping numbers, because that's a lot of reports and that's a lot of warranty claims for just pretty much a one model thing. And when I mean a one model thing, is meaning it's the Dodge Ram, but it's all the models included. So owners verifications are being started to go out by next month, and dealers will replace the hydraulic control unit free of charge. Speaking to dealers, Mopar is recalling an additional 84,000 control units that could be installed in heavy duty trucks going back as far as 2012 to 2018. And those components appears to have been set aside for use as a replacement part. By the way, guys, get in touch with the dealers, give them a call your service department. You might be either getting an email or you might be either getting a text from the dealers, but this is actually pretty dangerous, and this is actually pretty important for you to get sorted out. We're talking about 1,500, 2,500, 3,500, 4,500, 5,500. It is across the whole board for these Dodge Rams with these hydraulic control modules, unit, whatever you want to call it. The traction control is going out, the stability control is going out. If you're carrying a trailer and you're having this issue, just imagine how dangerous that can be. Again, the part is going to be replaced free. Get in touch with your dealer. Text messages should be going out from the dealers. Emails should be going out from the dealers. Get in contact with them and get it sorted out. And hopefully this recall can get it, can pretty much get sorted out as fast as it can, because this is pretty dangerous. Anyways, fun little short video today. If you guys are rocking with the content, remember to tune in and subscribe. Your boy is out of here.